Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've set up a screen time passcode to help control your app usage and stay focused, but have now forgotten it and find yourself locked out of your favorite apps, don't worry, because you aren't stuck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your screen time passcode without losing any of your data using PassFab iPhone Unlock. This professional software is a highly recommended all-in-one solution that can handle various iOS issues, including bypassing the screen time lock. To get started, download and install the software using the link in the description. Launch the program on your computer, and you'll see a clear and user-friendly interface. From the main software interface, select the Remove Screen Time Passcode option. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable and tap Trust on your device if prompted, and then click Start to Remove on the next page. The software will then begin the removal process, which specifically targets the system files managing the restriction without affecting your personal photos or messages. After several seconds to a few minutes, the process will finish successfully, and your iPhone will automatically shut down and restart. When the phone turns back on, you will find that the screen time passcode and limits have been completely removed, allowing you to use your applications freely again. If this guide helped you regain control of your device, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech solutions.